Alright. Well, how much does it have to be? Oh shit. That
More.
much? Are you serious?
Yeah, more.
There's no way I can fucking do that.
Alright, that's good.
Okay. Let's go and spit it on you. I've seen these videos.
If you spit it out, but I'm gonna be so
I
pissed.
like spit it my tongue. I'm scared.
Oh my god, wait, can I record from a distance?
Yes.
Spit over there.
I
Yeah.
don't think I'm like probably not gonna spit. This is wrong.
Go. Go. You spit on me. It said low battery. Low battery. Oh, I thought it stopped.
For a minute, I thought I had it.
Does it burn?
It was like in my throat. I should have got a napkin. Ew.
I don't even want to do it now.
That's not fair.
I'll do it.
It's in my hair. Ew. Oh. You bet. Are you done to record, please?